Welcome to the 101 Plans channel. My name is Josie. This time we are going to take a home tour of Alexandra's house. Here you will find inspiration for those who like a neutral decoration with touches of the coastal style. Cottage living rooms typically feature cozy furniture, plush rugs, soft pillows, and curtains and fabrics in warm, comforting tones. These elements create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Many cottage living rooms incorporate natural materials like wood, stone, and wicker, which add to the cozy and rustic feel of the space. A fireplace is often a focal point of a cottage living room, providing warmth and a sense of ambience that adds to the cozy feeling. Soft, warm lighting in the form of table lamps, floor lamps, and candles can help create a cozy atmosphere in a cottage living room. Additionally, many cottage living rooms feature personal touches like family photos, cozy blankets, and cherished mementos, which make the space feel warm and inviting. The number of cushions to use on a sofa can vary depending on personal preference, the size of the sofa, and the overall design aesthetic. However, a common rule of thumb is to use an odd number of cushions, such as 3 or 5, for a balanced and visually appealing look. Ultimately, the decision on how many cushions to use on a sofa is up to the individual's taste and style. The dining room table in the cottage style is typically made of wood because wood is a natural, warm, and inviting material that complements the overall cozy and rustic aesthetic of a cottage. Wood also creates a sense of authenticity and tradition, which are key elements of cottage-style design. Additionally, wood is durable and long-lasting, making it a practical choice for furniture that is meant to be used and enjoyed for years to come. A gray kitchen can be considered coastal cottage style because gray is a versatile neutral color that can evoke a sense of calmness and serenity, which are commonly associated with coastal living. In addition, gray is a color that can be easily paired with other coastal-inspired elements such as white or blue accents, natural wood finishes, and nautical-inspired decor. This combination of colors and materials can create a timeless and relaxed atmosphere that is often seen in coastal cottage-style homes. Many textures are used in cottage bedrooms to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The use of different textures adds visual interest and depth to the space, making it feel more layered and comfortable.